Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Resolve to create cinematic title animations with Fusion. Complete guide step by step clearly. Start by launching DaVinci Resolve on your computer. Ensure you have the latest version of DaVinci Resolve installed. Navigate to the project where you want to create your cinematic title animation. Select the Edit page from the bottom menu. Locate the media pool on the left side of the screen. Right-click in the media pool and choose New Fusion Composition. Set your desired duration for the composition and click Create. Double-click the new Fusion composition to enter the Fusion page. Begin by dragging a text node from the toolbar onto the node editor. Connect the text node to the Media Out node. In the Inspector panel, enter your desired title text. Adjust the font, size, and alignment to suit your design preferences. For a more dynamic title, add a transform node by right-clicking the text node. Connect the transform node between the text and Media Out nodes. Use the inspector to adjust transform properties, such as position and rotation. To create an entrance animation, keyframe the center position of the transform node. Set the playhead to the start of your timeline. Move the text off-screen and create a keyframe for the center property. Move the playhead forward a couple of seconds. Adjust the center property to bring the text on screen, then create a new keyframe. For additional flair, add a background node to create a custom backdrop. Connect the background node to the Media Out node. Adjust the color properties in the inspector to achieve your desired look. To add effects, you can incorporate nodes like blur or glow as needed. Build your visual style using combinations of nodes and adjustments. Once satisfied, return to the Edit page by clicking on the Edit button at the bottom. Drag your Fusion composition from the media pool into the timeline. Preview your animation by pressing the spacebar. Make any final adjustments in either the Fusion or Edit pages as needed. Render your project by navigating to the Deliver page. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.